Customer said they were experiencing long drying times. They also said that their dryer vent had recently been cleaned through their condo association, but as you can see, the further back we went with our camera, the worse it got. So if they cleaned it, they only cleaned the beginning of the run. They didn't get all the way back to the end of the run. So we're gonna get to work. As you can see, we got the run clean all the way back to the 90 where it comes up into the dryer. Now we're going to go inside and take care of that. The customer had a transition hose that was not UL listed, and you might also notice that their strain relief for their cord's missing. As you can see, there's plastic ends on that transition hose, which isn't allowed. The hole's too big for where the hose meets the pipe, so we just put UL listed foil tape around it to keep the bugs out until we can. When we come back, we're going to put a plate over that so it'll look better. And I had a strain relief on the truck. We took care of that, and we're off to the next job. Give us a call, Dryer Vent Guys LLC, Spanaway, Puyallup, Washington area at 253-262-7744. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already.